Hi there, welcome to the video. My name is Dennis Kroon, I'm a Klaviyo expert. In this video I will show you how to set up a product feed within Klaviyo that's connected to your e-commerce store, for example Shopify. You can use that to load in personalized product suggestions within emails that are tailored to the specific person. And that helps with getting a high conversion. Here's a quick example. This is the brand ASOS. They are applying this strategy. This is a browse abandonment email. That's an email when you're viewing products in the store. However, you don't make a purchase within a few hours or within one day, and they say, oh hello again, take another look at the styles you were checking out earlier, and we see 6 product recommendations right here, and those are personalized recommendations that are unique per person. So how do we achieve that within Klaviyo? It's quite easy actually. You can apply this within any email. It can be a flow email, can be a campaign email, doesn't matter. I will just show you how to build it inside of a template now, and then you can apply it anywhere. So I go to content, I go to templates, and I click on this template right here. And open it, and whenever we want to show dynamic products that are loaded in, we need to drag in a product block, and then we use the product selection dynamic. Next we have to choose a product feed. There are maybe already some feeds available in your account. I will show you how to create a new product feed that does exactly what you want, and let's walk through the options that you have there for determining which products are shown. So I will call this personalized recommendations, and then we have a few options. What products should the customer view first? We have personalized for each customer, it's one category, or we have classic. At classic, it's just the best sellers in your store right now, or the most viewed products, or a combination of that, or the newest products, or something random. However, what I will do now is a personalized recommendation for each customer, and there we have a few options as well. Products a customer has recently viewed, products a customer has added to their cart, or products a customer may also like. And we see a little star here that indicates that this is a AI-powered feature. So based on the algorithm of Klaviyo, you will see recommendations being made, and we need to configure that. And we have a few options. So we say products a customer may also like based on purchase history, view history, or both. I like to combine both. Of course, when someone buys a product, it tells you more about what they're interested in compared to just viewing. However, their last purchase might be a few months ago, and right now they're on the store viewing 10 products within the last few hours, so that might tell a bit more about what they're interested in right now. Or you might have limited purchase history, maybe they only purchased once from you. So by combining both, you get the best recommendations in my experience, so that's what I will go for. And then we say if the customer has limited history, what should they view instead? So maybe Klaviyo doesn't have enough data for a specific contact, and then we can, for example, say then load in both the best selling and most viewed products over the last 90 days in my store. We can also narrow this further down. We can also say within the recommendations that Klaviyo makes, we want to limit the categories. Now it's all categories, but we could say, for example, for my store, the collection only men. And we can also say category excludes, and then we exclude only men products. Or we say within a certain price range, a minimum or a maximum price, or a certain stock level. And now we are including a specific category, but we can also add a filter and say we want to exclude a certain category. For example, exclude only men products. So with that you can play around. And if you have, for example, an email you are sending out to a specific segment, it can make sense to tailor this. Or if you maybe want to exclude products that are within a sale collection that you have, you can do that as well. When you are triggering a flow email based on a product someone viewed, you can also build in a split, a condition within the flow, and say, hey, only show this email if the viewed product was, for example, for men. And then you also only want to show recommendations only for men. So with that you can play around, but for now let's keep it simple, all categories. We say create product feed. Now we see we have by default free products showing up here. You can customize this further through the design. However, let's have a look at what we see when we go to preview and test. We see how it will look for a certain person, and we see a belt, a cap and a beanie loaded in. The price is being shown automatically for that specific product, and when we click on the button here, we go to the product page of that specific product, and that's how it works. So enjoy creating your own custom feeds and making very tailored recommendations to your customers. And by the way, now we did it from within an email. However, when you go to content and then products and you go to product feeds, you can also see all the product feeds inside of your account there. This is the one we just created, and you can still make adjustments and save it, or you can also create a new feed from within here. So that works as well. And by the way, if you want to learn more about how to use Klaviyo, I have a Klaviyo course that you can try for free. It's called the Email Accelerator Program. You'll be on your way to 25 to 50% revenue from email, and it's specifically tailored for Klaviyo and Shopify or Shopify Plus. You get a video course, you can launch email flows and start making revenue. There's some cool bonuses included as well. For example, Klaviyo account setup or cleanup, a master email template, and my favorite AI tools for designing and doing copywriting for emails. This can be much faster than figuring it all out yourself, and you will be independent and gain the knowledge on how to do it yourself. So you can unlock your free account right now. Go to ecommerceaccelerator.nl/free, or have a look at the description at this video. There will be a link there as well. That's it for today. See you in another video.